When crimping an RJ45 connector onto an Ethernet cable, you need to follow a specific color code to ensure proper network functionality. There are two main standards, T568A and T568B. It's crucial to be consistent. Straight through cable. Both ends of the cable must use the same color code, e.g. T568B, on both ends. This is the most common type of cable, used to connect devices like computers to switches/routers. Crossover cable. One end of the cable uses T568A, and the other end uses T568B. These are used to connect two similar devices directly, e.g. computer to computer, switch to switch without an uplink port. Modern networking equipment often has AUTO 1501/MDIX, making crossover cables less necessary, but it's still good to know. RJ45 pinout. Looking at the connector with the clip facing away from you, pins 1 to 8 from left to right. T568, a color code. Less common, often required for government contracts. Pin number. Wire color. 1. White/green. 2. Green. 3. White/orange. 4. Blue. 5. White/blue. 6. Orange. 7. White/brown. 8. Brown. T568B color code. Most common in commercial and residential installations. Pin number. Wire color. 1. White/orange. 2. Orange. 3. White/green. 4. Blue. 5. White/blue. 6. Green. 7. White/brown. 8. Brown. Key differences to note. The only difference between T568A and T568B is that the orange and green pairs are swapped. The blue and brown pairs remain in the same positions. How to crimp an RJ45 connector. General steps. 1. Gather your tools. Ethernet cable, Cat5e, Cat6, etc. RJ45 connectors, 8P8C plugs. Crimping tool. With a stripper and cutter. Cable tester. Highly recommended to verify your work. 2. Strip the cable jacket. Use the stripping blade on your crimping tool to carefully remove about 1 inch, 2.5 centimeters, of the outer jacket from the end of the cable. Be careful not to nick or cut the internal wires. 3. Untwist and straighten the wires. Gently untwist each of the 4 pairs of wires. Straighten them out as much as possible, as this will make arranging them easier. You might need to press them flat between your fingers. 4. Arrange the wires according to the chosen standard, T568A or T568B. This is the most critical step. Lay out the 8 wires in the correct order for the standard you've chosen. 5. Trim the wires evenly. Once arranged, hold the wires tightly together and trim them straight across, leaving about 1/2 to 5/8 inch, 1.2 to 1.5 centimeters, of exposed, ordered wires. This length is crucial for the wires to reach the pins inside the connector, and for the cable jacket to be properly seated under the strain relief. 6. Insert wires into the RJ45 connector. Hold the RJ45 connector with the clip facing away from you, or down. Pin 1 will be on the left. Carefully push all 8 wires simultaneously into the connector, ensuring each wire slides into its designated channel. Push firmly until the wires hit the end of the connector and the cable jacket is seated snugly under the strain relief tab inside the connector. This ensures the crimp provides good strain relief and keeps the cable secure. Double check that the color order is correct from the top. 7. Crimp the connector. Insert the RJ45 connector into the RJ45 slot on your crimping tool. Squeeze the handles of the crimping tool firmly and completely until you hear a click. This action pushes the small metal pins down, piercing the wire insulation and making contact with the copper conductors. It also presses the strain relief tab onto the cable jacket. 8. Test the cable. Use a cable tester to verify that all 8 wires have proper continuity and that there are no shorts or open circuits. This step is essential to confirm your crimp was successful. With practice, you'll be crimping RJ45 connectors quickly and accurately.